Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn on notifications for your Wells Fargo app. The first thing I want you to do is launch the app and just log in to your account. And then come here at the bottom right and click on these three horizontal lines to access the menu. Okay, and from here click on the first option that says security and profile. And once you come here, scroll down until you see messages and alerts. And then here, I want you to choose either manage alerts or push notifications. In this case, I'll show you with manage alerts. I'll show you the example. And here we have our account alerts. So you can set your alerts for whichever account you want. So I'll do this for my checking account. And all you need to do is just toggle on them. So for example, balance alerts. If I toggle this, I can toggle it off. I can toggle this one off. And if I want, I can toggle these on again, as you can see, and now get notifications from, of course, text and mail as well, and just push notifications in general as well. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.